Situated in the heart of central Virginia, Orange County was once the largest county in the nation. During the early 1700s, its western border stretched all the way to the Mississippi River. James Madison, a founding father who helped draft the U.S. Constitution and the Bill of Rights, spent his life here. Montpelier, his home, is a historic site. President Zachary Taylor was born here. And a number of Civil War engagements occurred in and around Orange County, including the bloody Battle of the Wilderness. Tobacco was once a principal crop in Orange County, and agriculture has always been vital to the economy. Today, Orange County is a big part of Virginia wine country, and many of the crops grown here are more consumer-friendly than traditional farm commodities, giving farmers a lot of potential customers.
From an ag receipt standpoint in Orange, we're probably in the top 5 in the state, primarily due to the horticulture industry and the 2 large commercial greenhouses that we have, being Battlefield Farms and American Color. I think they primarily produce plants for the big box stores. They ship plants up and down the East Coast. So they're a very large part of Orange County's agricultural revenue.
Liberty Mills Farm has the largest corn maze in the state, so we attract a lot of folks for agritourism, especially in the fall. We have really turned into a blossoming wedding venue. People like to be out on farms. We have wonderful wineries, so we're known for our grape production, but a lot of those wineries have gone to tasting rooms and agritourism events to bring people to the county.
With nearly 105,000 acres of farmland in production, Orange County farmers earn more than $90 million in cash receipts each year. The top agricultural commodity is the nursery and greenhouse sector, followed by corn, soybeans, and wheat. Chickens, turkeys, and cattle are the top livestock sectors. There are also several modern dairies with robotic milking machines, along with some hogs and horses. 251 acres of wine grapes were raised here in 2015, producing 922 tons of grapes. For an area famous for scenic panoramas, Orange County has a very strong green industry.
Most nurseries in the industry sell, the growers sell to a retail garden center or to a landscaper. Instead, we grow our trees and then we market them to the end user, and so we will install them for our clients. So we have the retail markup and the installation charges, adding all that revenue to the trees that we grow here at the nursery.
We're seeing a side harvesting operation. We've got an automatic side harvester here that we use. It's really made us very productive and efficient. We're not relying on a huge labor force. We can operate this business with just a very few number. I have 2 full-time employees, plus myself and my wife.
Just like elsewhere in rural Virginia, Orange County farmers are dealing with economic growth. The beautiful countryside and comfortable small towns are very attractive to tourists from nearby Richmond and northern Virginia, and that's making it difficult for some farmers to expand.
We're seeing more people come down and they want to purchase maybe a 20 to 50 acre estate, but they're not necessarily interested in having production ag there. They don't want the smell of the livestock. So we're trying to help farmers find access to that land to be able to continue doing what they're doing rather than just having people mow extremely large lawns.
Fortunately, the local community supports the farming lifestyle of their neighbors, and many of the farm businesses in Orange County depend on visitors.
I'm a big believer in tourism and agritourism, and as long as we can protect the open space, it allows the tourists to come. So agriculture can do that, and we have almost 600 acres here. We have no intention to develop it, and we can do that. We don't have to develop it because we have enough revenue and income from our nursery operation.
From agritourism to traditional agriculture, the farmers of Orange County have adapted to change. Customers are both their neighbors as well as visitors, and their land, crops, and livestock continue to make Orange County both a beautiful place to live and an agricultural powerhouse in Virginia. In Orange County, Virginia, I'm Dave Miller.